Okay, so Tesla has started their Beach Buggy Racing 2 rollout, which is actually pretty incredible. Got to play for just a few seconds before filming this, but we're going to play it together. Going to show you all about that. But actually, the only way to play this, I believe, until like June 30th is to go into a store and check out the cars, and you can play it in like their store locations and stuff like that. So definitely check them out. I'll link the stores below. This isn't paid or anything by Tesla. I just really want to check it out. But I'll link the stores down below too, and you can check out where like your closest one is. Go check it out. Go play it because it's mad fun. I'm gonna play it though and take you guys along real quick because I'm actually super excited for this. I can't wait till it rolls out for everyone's cars because there's a lot of stuff you can unlock, different people, different maps, different cars, all kinds of cool stuff. But let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. We are going to play Beach Buggy. You just check here, and then you go to your Tesla arcade. There are all kinds of other cool games, but Beach Buggy Racing 2 is the newest one, and it is the Tesla edition, a kart racer where you drive your own actual car in an action-packed race to the finish, careen through Egyptian pyramids, dragon-infested castles, pirate shipwrecks, and experimental alien biolabs. Blast your opponents with an arsenal of fun and wacky power-ups. Recruit a colorful cast of new drivers, including SpaceX's Starman. So this will support touchscreen and steering wheel controls. As a general rule of thumb, do not use your gear stock or the accelerator while playing. The vehicle's front wheels will move slightly. When you turn the steering wheel during the game, keep the area around the front wheels clear. Additionally, you must be prepared for vehicle controls like the accelerator, brake, and gear stock to resume normal driving. As soon as you exit the game, do not allow children to play unattended. So this is by Vector Unit. And it actually loads very quickly. Those of you that may have like a PlayStation or anything like that, games on there take forever, especially some like super easy games. So here we go. Currently the sound is off. We can turn it up. As long as we don't get copywritten. I don't think we will. Hopefully not. I guess we'll find out. You got the Tesla supercharger. You got our main guy. You got the Tesla car. You can do 1-player, 2-player. You can go settings, extras. Are going to be like your different power-ups. It's going to tell you what everything does. There's a ton of them, as you can see here. It just keeps going. You can reset your game. Your credits are right here. Huge shout out to Beach Buggy Racing Team and Vector Unit for this game. It's awesome, so awesome. Then go back. Your settings, here you can do your music volume, your sound effects volume, and your steering sensitivity. I tried this all the way on and all the way off. All the way on was just way too hard for me. And you can always hit default to just go to your defaults. So let's get into this. We're going to do single player. So here you can see the different characters you can unlock. And then right down here is your Starman. So we'll go ahead and click on her. Click continue. Here's all your tracks that you can unlock. You can just select one, and then you can either do it in chill, performance, or ludicrous. Let's try chill here, see how she goes. So you're going to steer with your steering wheel and brake with your brake pedal. Acceleration is automatic. You do not want to hit the accelerator pedal. So let's see how I can do. Hopefully I do good. That'd be embarrassing. You can also use these to steer left and right, and these for brake, in case you needed to. Your power-up slots, your driver special ability, get 3rd place or better to unlock new tracks and drivers. Let's go. Oh, this is fun. Okay, we need more volume though. Distracted driving. I didn't have autopilot on. I don't have any power-ups yet. Oh no, someone beat me. Ugh. Passed him. Oh no. Come on, load up, load up, load up, load up. Which, I probably should have saved that actually because I'm already in first, but hey, you never know. Let's go for a double stack. So these we can drop. That's great. These shoot ahead of us, so we don't want to use those right now. Let's see if we can get... we couldn't get 2 that time, at least. And I think these are the beach ball? Oh, no. Those shoot out in all directions. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so we're lap 2 of 2. We are first place. Wouldn't have it any other way. Ugh. I saw that. That was my bad. I don't know what that one does, but it looks fun. Don't know what the donut does, but we're doing it. I think those are all items I left there last lap. Chickens! So anyone who hits that will be doused with chickens and eggs. You can hit the birds, by the way, so just FYI. We got first place because wouldn't have it any other way. Hit continue. Let's see what we unlocked. New racetrack. We got Buccaneer Bay is now available in the track list. And we got a new driver. Beach Pro is now available. And S and X also have this option to be able to play this game. It is not Model 3 specific. You can actually use the scroll wheel to use like your power-ups and your character-specific items. Such a fun game. Definitely highly recommend you go visit a Tesla store or location that has available cars so you can check this out yourself. Go ahead though, take a picture of your high score, tweet it to me, everything's linked down below, and I will be reposting those for you guys. But that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Go check it out. Love it. As always though, huge thanks to our channel sponsor Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model SX or Model 3 like this one, definitely check them out, all linked down below. Using code Tesla Inventory, all one word, will get you 15% off your first order. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. Here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.